After your appointment, we're not done there. Aftercare is crucial to the final appearance and longevity of your new eyebrows. Immediately after your appointment, your eyebrows will appear supernatural. Over the course of the next 7 days, your brows will gradually get darker and sharper. 5 hours after the appointment, you will begin washing your eyebrows with our signature DLD Brow Wash. Please discontinue your regular face wash for the first 7 days. Absolutely no products will go on the forehead for the first week. Eyes down, you can do your thing. You can use your eye cream, your serum, your moisturizer, have a party, but please avoid the forehead area completely. Absolutely no product on the forehead. No Aquaphor, A&D, grapeseed oil, dry healing only. 5 hours after your appointment, you will begin washing your eyebrows with our signature DLD Brow Wash. You'll do this morning and night outside of the shower in the sink. Don't be afraid to wash your eyebrows. They won't go anywhere if you do wash them, but they will if you don't. If you're not washing your eyebrows morning and night over the course of the first 7 days of healing, the natural oils will get built up behind the pigment in your skin, and once you hit week 2, your brows will just flake right off. So I can't stress enough, do not be afraid to wash your new eyebrows. You want to keep them as sterile as possible. You're a badass with a new tattoo. All right, that might sound a little harsh, so many rules, but the reason we don't have you have any direct contact with the shower pressure for the first 7 days is because the pigment is so superficial into the skin. If it doesn't have a chance to settle yet, the water pressure could just push the pigment right out, and we don't want that. Avoid any heavy sweating or cardio for the first 24 hours. 7 days after the appointment, no swimming. This entails no jacuzzi, no sauna, no steam room, I'm sorry. And keep in mind to stay out of the chlorine for at least 15 days. For 15 days after your initial and retouch appointment, avoid any chemical peels, lasers, and direct sun exposure. The biggest thing is to trust the process. Your eyebrows will initially appear supernatural. Over the course of the first 7 days, they'll gradually get darker and sharper until you hit a point where they may start to flake come week 2. Some clients flake, some don't. Typically, clients who are more on the oily to combination side will notice flaking. Some of my clients on the drier side don't notice as much. If you do start to flake, do not pick at them. I can't stress that enough. They may get a little bit itchy. You can take cotton or a tissue and just lightly, gently pat them. Do not put any type of A&D, Aquaphor, grapeseed oil, or anything that you read on Google. Around week 3, your eyebrows may look a little bit washed out. You may begin to fill in your eyebrows leading up to the retouch. Technically, your brows are considered incomplete until the retouch. You may notice that certain areas retain the pigment better than others. Totally normal. When you come in for your retouch, we'll retrace the initial strokes, fill in any gaps that didn't retain the pigment as well, and go in between the initial hair strokes with a thinner needle to really bring your brows to life. P.S. Once your brows are healed, make sure to always keep DLD brow screen on them when you have fun in the sun.